Hey, Andrew, how you doing today?
I'm doing pretty well, Paul.
Excellent. Hey, I wonder if you could do me a favor. There's a new program out by Mazda. It's called the First-Time Buyers Program. Maybe you could just give me a couple of details about that.
Absolutely. It's a fantastic program. Basically, if you've got $1,000 cash and a full-time job, we can get you into a new Mazda 2 or Mazda 3.
Now, is this you say a full-time job? How long would I have to have that full-time job for?
Well, believe it or not, just 6 months, Paul.
Wow, that's not a long time at all, is it?
It really isn't.
And $1,000.
$1,000 cash. Yeah.
Okay. And what kind of car? You said again, I could get a Mazda 2 or a Mazda 3.
That's correct.
Now, are these cars relatively, light on equipment, maybe, or they're a 5-speed, no air, or
no? There's really no limitation, right? I mean, we've got a good spread of options in these cars. In fact, the last one that I put somebody into was a really nicely equipped Mazda 3, leather seats, heated seats, power. We got Bluetooth for your phone, Bluetooth for your iPod. A real nice automobile.
Now, would I have to pay a huge amount of interest to get involved in this program, or is this a program that is regular bank rate, or 8 or 9 or 10%?
Actually, no. This is a really cool thing. We're talking about using the Mazda rates. Now, that's as low as 0% over 5 years.
Wow, that's just incredible.
It really is incredible.
So what you're saying, I get 0% financing, up to as low as 0% finance, I would imagine.
Yeah.
With only $1,000 down.
You got it.
And I have to be in my job for at least 6 months.
Absolutely.
A customer walking into Destination Mazda would qualify for that.
You got it.
Yeah, it's guaranteed, I understand.
You got it. It's absolutely guaranteed. I mean, Mazda's partnered with the Bank of Nova Scotia to offer this type of financing to people that are new to credit, Paul. We're not talking about people that have bad credit. These are folks that are new to credit. So young folks, people that are new to the country, a real good opportunity to get into a proper bank loan. This is going to do two things. It's going to get them a great car, but it's also going to give somebody an opportunity to build some really good credit.
So what would my payments start out? Like if I could get into a Mazda 3, what kind of, and I want to do that bi-weekly, how much would my payment be, let's say?
Believe it or not, with $1,000 down, you're looking at payments as low as $119 bi-weekly.
And that's everything included, I understand.
You got it. That's it. That's taxes. That's the whole 9 yards. You're out of here driving.
So $1,000, 6 months on the job, $119 bi-weekly. I'm driving myself a really nice equipped Mazda 3.
You got it.
But 2 would be less, wouldn't it?
2 would be less, yeah, absolutely.
And that's a great car.
It's a fantastic car. It's new to us this year.
Yeah. Really
impressive vehicle.
So how do I get in touch with somebody at Destination Mazda?
Well, call down, talk to anybody in the sales staff. 885-2623. That's us at Destination. So that's 885-2623.
Or the web pages?
Web page is www.destinationmazda.ca.
And that's it.
That's it.
And ask for Andrew or ask for one of the other sales guys there, and they'll be more than happy to help anybody.
More than happy. And get on this. This is a limited time offer. It's a new program. We don't know how long it's going to be around, but get down here and get your car.
We know it's on till the end of January.
Absolutely, till the end of January. We have no guarantees after that.
But Mazda hasn't really given us any indication whether it's going to continue after that.
Nope, they haven't told us one way or another.
So if we need to, if you have to, you got to do it before the end of January.
I'd get down here today.
Okay. And how about selection? How's that working for us?
We got a great selection. We got our new inventory for 2011 coming in as we speak. Really good selection of 2s and a fantastic selection of 3s. Very impressive car this year.
Okay. Well, you guys heard it here. Destination Mazda.
Thanks, Paul.
You bet.